Hey there, welcome back to the Quiz Journal. Today, we've got a wild adventure lined up for you. 20 Guess the Animal from the Image questions. You think you know your animals? Let's put that knowledge to the test. Let's dive right in. Question 1. Which animal is the king of the jungle? A. Tiger, B. Lion, or C. Cheetah? The answer is B. Lion. Question 2. Is it A. Puffin, B. Penguin, or C. Seagull? And the right answer is B. Penguin. Question 3. Is it A. Wallaby, B. Rabbit, or C. Kangaroo? And the answer is C. Kangaroo. Question 4. Big ears, long trunk. Who is this? A. Elephant, B. Rhinoceros, or C. Hippopotamus? And the correct answer is A. Elephant. Question 5. Who is this tall friend? A. Giraffe, B. Llama, or C. Camel? The correct answer is A. Giraffe. Question 6. Black and white and loves bamboo. Who is this creature? A. Polar bear, B. Panda, or C. Skunk? And the right answer is B. Panda. Question 7. Is it A. Crane, B. Flamingo, or C. Pelican? And the right answer is B. Flamingo. Question 8. Who is this? A. Whale, B. Shark, or C. Dolphin? The right answer is C. Dolphin. Question 9. Is it A. Hawk, B. Owl, or C. Eagle? The correct answer is B. Owl. Question 10. Who is this? A. Horse, B. Zebra, or C. Donkey? And the right answer is B. Zebra. Question 11. Fastest land animal. Who is this? A. Leopard, B. Tiger, or C. Cheetah? And the fastest land animal is C. Cheetah. Question 12. Is it A. Koala, B. Sloth, or C. Lemur? And the right answer is A. Koala. Question 13. Who is this? A. Peacock, B. Turkey, or C. Swan? And the answer is A. Peacock. Question 14. Who is this? A. Weasel, B. Badger, or C. Raccoon? And the answer is C. Raccoon. Question 15. Is it A. Sloth, B. Koala, or C. Bat? And the answer is A. Sloth. Question 16. Who's this? A. Seal, B. Walrus, or C. Otter? And the correct answer is B. Walrus. Question 17. Master of disguise. Who's this? A. Gecko, B. Iguana, or C. Chameleon? And the master of disguise is C. Chameleon. Question 18. Who's this big buddy? A. Rhino, B. Hippo, or C. Buffalo? And the answer is B. Hippo. Question 19. Is it A. Prairie dog, B. Meerkat, or C. Ferret? And the answer is B. Meerkat. Question 20. Who is this? A. Bat, B. Owl, or C. Moth? And the answer is A, bat. And that's it. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss out on the fun. See ya!